In front of me is Redmi A5, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wish to restore it, you need to hold your device's display, then select Widgets in the pop-up, hit Got It, and look for Google. Over here, Google Go. Tap on this little icon on the right. Hold your search bar and drag it to the proper place. Then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!